Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to create a Gmail account. So the Gmail, it is a free email service that was developed by Google. This is how we are going to implement this video. Now let's get started. So now I am at my desktop. So what I'm going to do is I will open the Microsoft Edge. Now over here, I'm going to search for Gmail account. Then I will have to click on the create an account. So over here, you need to enter your first name. I'm going to use my name and your last name. Now for the username part, the prerequisite, okay, so it just gave me a default one. So now the prerequisite one is it is showing the available. That means your username must not be taken by anyone else. So if it is, then you cannot use that username. You cannot use the same username for email that you already have. That means your username needs to be different from other emails. So I'm going to, let's just click on this. usualfather@gmail.com. Okay, so now I need to enter my password. I'm going to use this, and over here I'm going to use this. Okay, so then I can just click on next, and you can enter your phone number, but that is optional. That means you can skip this. You can use a recovery email address, which is optional as well. Then, but these are not optional. You need to fill this information. So I'm going to use mine. So 6, and then you can select your gender, and then you can click on next. Then all you have to do is click on I agree. Now the Gmail account is successfully created. Now let's have a look at the summary. So in this video, we have learned how to create a Gmail account. Thank you for watching.